Hi guys, so today we are making a deliciously refreshing dessert that's perfect for a warm weather, mango custard. This treat combines the sweetness of juicy mango with the smooth creamy texture of homemade custard. Get ready for a burst of tropical flavor in every bite. In this video, I'll show you how to easily create this delightful dessert in your own home. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 2 Alfonso mangoes and simply cut the mangoes as shown. So I have separated the mango flesh now. Then take a mixer jar, add the mango flesh, add 300 ml milk, add 4 tablespoons sugar, and then blend it until nice and smooth. So the mango flavored milk is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then in a hot pan, add the mango milk and allow it to boil. Then take 1/4 cup milk, add 1/4 cup custard powder and mix it until it is nice and smooth. Make sure there are no lumps. When the milk is just about to boil, add the custard mix. Then cook it and whisk it until it is nice and thick. As you can see, it is getting nice and thick now. Make sure the consistency is something like this. This is the perfect consistency. Then add half teaspoon lemon juice and then give it a nice mix. Then simply pour it in a container. Then allow it to cool down at room temperature and then simply place it in the fridge for about 5 to 6 hours. So the mango custard is nice and chilled now. Then pour it in a bowl and gently whisk it until it is nice and smooth. Then add some chopped pistachio nuts, add some chopped cashew nuts and give it a nice mix. And you can garnish it with some rose petals. So the mango custard is ready. And there you have it guys, a beautifully smooth and wonderfully refreshing mango custard. I hope you will give this recipe a try, especially if you love mangoes as much as I do. It's the perfect light and fruity dessert. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more sweet treats and let me know in the comments how your mango dessert turned out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.